People read that the Subaru wheel spaces may cause wheel vibration. In fact, Subaru wheel spaces will not cause any vibration. If there is a strong sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The fitness of the Subaru wheel spaces and the tightness of the lug nuts are the preferred factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issue. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on Lug-Centric Subaru wheel spaces. A Lug-Centric spaces means there is a big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made larger to fit a variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spaces are centered on the vehicle hubs only by wheel studs. If you are using the cheap spaces, there is a high risk of wheel vibration. In this case, self-produced Hub-Centric Subaru wheel spaces will be easily solution. As long as you use quality Subaru wheel spaces and install them properly, they are safe and reliable. Since the wheel studs and the lug nuts use a clamping force to secure the Subaru wheel spaces and wheels, if the studs or lug nuts are not strong enough to support this process, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provided wheel studs or BONOSS Subaru wheel spaces are made of high-strength STM440 steel material. They have achieved ISO standard for 4.9. With high strength, your Subaru wheel spacer can be more processed without breaking. Hub-Centric Subaru wheel spacers can keep the wheel centered and the balance on the vehicle hub while driving. After the spacers and the wheels are properly blocked, the Hub-Centric ring covers the gap between the center bolt of the wheels to the hubs of the vehicle. Thus, Hub-Centric Subaru wheel spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicle. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration issue. BONOSS Subaru wheel spacers are designed with better mounted space Hub-Centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. The Hub-Centric metering is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevel with the corresponding hub branch, which eliminates any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since Subaru wheel spacers are components that can tear the other parts, you absolutely need tight tolerance.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.